Hi, Mike Smith here with MDS Success Academy, and I've really been kind of trying to figure out what I'm doing with my YouTube channel here, and I started it off as documenting my journey, and I think I've gone into some other things, but I want to keep consistent with that. So I want to review for me, this is week 6 of being an affiliate marketer. And I want to just go over what I've learned and where I am in the process. And so what got me into it was Partner with Anthony. I really enjoyed his presentation. I thought he was very honest and sincere in trying to help me. So I joined his $7 program, $7 a month program. And I really learned a lot. There's 30 sessions, and he gives them out once a day. So you're not going to rush through it. I know in the beginning I really wanted to, but by the 7th session, when we're really going through the nuts and bolts of putting together our affiliate program and our websites and all the links and everything, I was really happy that he was taking it step by step. And that is exactly what I did. Is I took a little longer than 30 days, probably closer to 45 in it, because I had to go through over things a couple times. But I'm here in week 6 of my journey, and I've so what have I done? I finished the 30 sessions. Great information. What I liked about it, it wasn't just information. He actually walked me through step by step to get my ClickFunnels account up and running, get my funnels, my sales funnels, my opt-in funnels, all the links that go together, and there's a lot of links. It really, I needed a diagram to just remember all of it. And then you start sending traffic to it. And that actually happened for me after the second week. I purchased some traffic, some solo ads, and I started sending them to my opt-in page. And so at the 6-week mark, I have a list that's about 1,200. I have 1,200 people on it, which I think is fantastic for 6 weeks. And I have over 18 sales. And some of those are recurring. So it does work. What I have found over everything, so, I'm constantly writing emails, trying to connect, with the people who have opted in my list. I'm actually looking for people just like me. They're older sole proprietors. They love their business. I'm an architect. I love doing architecture. I'll never stop that. But I also know that if I stop working as an architect, I stop getting paid. And now that I'm getting closer and closer to retirement, that's something that I really at least want to be able to throttle back, have the kind of time to be with my family, to travel and such, that I haven't done because I've been building my architectural business. And sole proprietors, that's what we do. We put our heart and soul in our business, and sometimes at the end you look and you don't have much to show for it. And with the couple, the Great Recession and a couple other recessions that we had, that is where I ended up. And so for a long time, I was looking for something to add that could bring in income that didn't require me to spend hours to trade for dollars. I invest my time now. I now have 4 funnels up. 3 of them are with Partner with Anthony, but 1 I have my first on my own affiliate program that I'm doing. And so the information I got from Anthony's program has given me the confidence to do that. Now, the hard part is getting people to open the email and trust you. that I'm not here just to get a buck and move on. I want to work with people just like me, help them build a business so that eventually my goal is in 18 months, I have enough income coming in to replace my architectural income. And I can then throttle back and not take as many projects and really focus on the projects, waiting for the really good ones, not taking everything that comes in the door. And sometimes that's what you need to do to survive. So that's where I am on week 6. I'm going to every Wednesday publish a summary of what has happened in the previous week, and that way I'll be able to delve in a little deeper. I know I'm kind of going over the top. There's a lot of things that happened in that 6 weeks. It's setting up your autoresponders, writing emails, getting emails from swipe files and then putting them in your autoresponder, contacting solo ad people to buy solo ads, and I tried some Facebook ads. So I'm going to go over all of that in the weeks ahead, but I just wanted to let you know where I am on week 6 and that I think the progress is going good. I will tell you I've invested a lot of time and money to get where I am now, but just like any business, you have to give it enough firewood to get the fire going. So until next time, well, as always, there's links below. If you want to follow my journey and partner with Anthony, there's a link below. I also have some freebies. If you are looking for a sales funnel, absolutely, you should have a ClickFunnels account. You can sign up through my link below. Really helps me out, and I'd love to help you out on your journey. So until next time, to your success.